Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the controller first, then the Mini too. This ensures the remote becomes host. Open the DJI Fly app and let it detect the aircraft. Once it appears, tap Connect and accept permissions. You do this now so firmware checks and telemetry initialize correctly. While the app downloads aircraft data, make sure the battery indicators are green and the SD card is present. This prevents interruptions during setup. Once connected, the app will show firmware and database prompts. Handle them before flying. Once the app confirms connection, update firmware only if you have stable Wi-Fi and 50% battery minimum. Interrupting an update can brick the drone. Next, calibrate the compass by following the on-screen rotations. This reduces magnetic interference and prevents erratic return behavior. You should also calibrate the IMU if the app asks. Make sure you acquire at least 10 GPS satellites so position hold is reliable, and set a safe return to home altitude that clears local obstacles before you arm motors. Now you're ready. Stick check first, move left, right, forward, back, and yaw slowly. Make sure responses are smooth and proportional. Then perform a brief hover at 1 to 3 meters to confirm GPS and altitude hold. This proves sensors are healthy before distance flights. When satisfied, fly conservative paths and monitor battery percent and signal strength. If the controller or app loses connection, stop, land safely, restart both devices, move to a less obstructed area, and recalibrate the compass before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.